Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another cleaning video, just getting as much done as possible in an hour. But today I've decided to break it down into 6 10-minute increments and getting 6 specific things done in each 10 minutes. So setting my timer for 10 minutes 6 times allowed me to really focus on some specific tasks that I wanted to get done. So for the first 10 minutes, I just wanted to do a quick tidy up through the house, walk through, get my bed made, and get all the rubbish and recycling out of the house. I wanted to spend 10 minutes in the kitchen, the bathroom, lounge, dining, and study, dedicate 10 minutes to dusting the house, and then the last 10 minutes to floors, vacuuming and mopping. I also included laundry because I did this throughout the hour. Here's a quick overview of all of the products I used. Everything is method. I do try to keep my cleaning products as natural as possible wherever I can. And of course, I love using my microfiber cloths. This one came from Daiso. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. So the first 10-minute timer is set, and all I really wanted to achieve in this was to do a quick tidy up throughout the house, getting all the things that were in the places they didn't belong, like for example glasses, laundry, rubbish, all picked up, all tidied up, just quickly, not going into too much detail as this is only a power hour whole house clean, so wanting to get as much done as possible. Not aiming for perfection, just aiming for it to get all done nice and neat and tidy. So just moving quickly throughout the house, anywhere that there are like clutter zones, picking up, putting away, just moving as quickly as possible and giving it a quick tidy up just in general. Nothing too detailed at this point. Like I said, just getting all the things that don't belong into the space where they do. Getting the laundry started and sorted was one big thing because I wanted to get all this laundry done throughout the day. Sorting into a few color groups and putting the first load on to get started throughout the power hour. So that was the end of the first 10 minutes, and I just had a couple of quick things to catch up on. Next, into the kitchen to do a quick tidy up. It's actually amazing how much you can get done and how much you can get accomplished in 10 minutes. It seems like it's such a short period of time, but if you really focus and if you really work quickly, you can smash out your whole kitchen cleaning. I mean, I know it wasn't too dirty, but I did have to do the dishes, clean the countertops, I cleaned the stove top, and I cleaned the sink, and I got it all done in 10 minutes. So this was the second 10-minute timer up, and now I'm just quickly finishing off, just wiping down the fridge, and then I'm going to be moving on to the bathrooms. And the only things that I really want to focus on is cleaning the toilet, cleaning the vanity, the mirrored glass, and giving the showers a quick spray over. Again, just stressing this is not a detailed clean, it is just a quick surface clean because I have got this bathroom plus my ensuite to get done in this 10-minute increment. And you can do it, you just have to be organized, have all your stuff ready, and just go fast, work hard, smash it out, you'll be done before you know it. Now moving into the ensuite bathroom, repeating the process, just wanting to get the toilet clean, the vanity and the shower sprayed down. Nothing too serious, nothing too detailed, but just getting it nice and clean and fresh. Okay, so here we are into the fourth 10-minute timer. I went a little bit over on the bathroom section, but I didn't press pause when I was moving my camera and tripod around, so that did take up some time in all fairness. Now moving on to doing the study, the lounge room and the dining room tidy up, just going through and just doing the absolute essentials. So just coming to the end of the lounge, dining and study tidy up 10 minutes, and I'm telling you, working through this fast, it makes you work up a sweat. Man, I was hot. I was sweating, and it's not even a hot day, but so second last 10-minute increment I wanted to dedicate to dusting. I noticed my house had gotten a little bit dusty. It's something that I don't really do on an everyday basis, but I thought in 10 minutes I can pretty much dust everything that needs it. I love using my Daiso microfiber cleaning mitt. It just makes it so quick and easy to get everything cleaned, and the little hedgehog is so cute. So the final timer has gone off and we're into the last 10 minutes. So I just need to quickly finish off the dusting and then spend the last of the 10 minutes to do the floors. So giving a quick vacuum and a quick mop, so I know I can catch up. It won't take 10 minutes just to go through. I've only got a small 2-bedroom apartment, so it doesn't take long to vacuum and mop the house. So just using up the last of the hour to do the floors, a quick vacuum and a spot mop, which I wasn't able to get on camera, but we are all done and dusted, pretty much the whole house, done and clean in an hour.
chase